and veggie chunks and all them something them. Cheap food, you know. So, you know veggie chunks, you know, you just boil it and you just cook it up with some curry same way and you know. Basically some chicken back same way. Curry chicken back, I make a shot for you one of these days or something. Basically, them make a thing the way we do, you know, something. Money in the day, understand? Yeah, we just work with the yard.
But it's like 5 people used to come together and bring different foods together for cook.
Yes, because someone can 1 pound of flour, someone can 1 pound of corn meal, someone can do a mackerel, someone can 1 piece of scallion, so you don't know one bread food, we just get things right and nice.
Straight up.
Yeah, we don't have no money, we get a 1 lime and we have some beverage. Nice.
Yeah.
Man gonna sleep.
A little bit of sugar.
The problem me have baby food and gonna sleep. Here's less.
Yeah.
So at one point, Jamaica was a more shared culture where we didn't eat apart. No, we're eating apart.
No, we never. Always.
Even the neighbors used to
Whole
eat together,
neighbors,
right?
Schoolers passing through from the public and they smell the food and mama here, they're gonna stop.
Yeah, man.
For 1 jackfruit, they cut up in a 20 piece.
At what point did that change, you think? The whole brotherhood of sharing, when people start making money independently? Or
No. You start changing by the 80s. You know?
maybe because the country start growing wealth, because when you're poor, you have to share.
Have to share.
But when you start
When
making
wealth
away, you start become selfish.
Yeah, very much.
So maybe we need
Nobody build a river again by the crew. Everybody got in a bathroom and lock up.
Yes.
Pause up there, him in a shower.
Yes.
And work again on riverside or pond side.
Yeah.
In the rain we used to bathe, all the way in the rain run around the house.
So maybe nature forced us to share.
Nature, share. Nature share to everybody. Manna was falling, you know. And because bad mind and garbage is just manna stop fall. I could dig all yam now. And all yam are going too. Breadfruit alone left. And breadfruit soon gone too. And we don't praise God enough.
We're not planting enough. Breadfruit tree.
We don't think about plant. That respect the breadfruit, we just show some more plants to grow by itself. And then know that we're the ruler. So the system gone on very far. And we have to carry it up for ourselves. We don't want no money to carry it up, you know. Just new night. Just new night.
Unity.
That's how we say, Jamaica Good Life. It's all about unity. And all the man that I watch just plant something in the name of the Almighty creation. Josaphat / and Jesus.
You have a seat. We have
You see how we did? We cover everything in the thing. You see me? A creation we say.
Just we see we run rich man house. Who people wealthy. Palm tree. The only thing we do type palm and make like palm, we kill that and play drum with the bottom part. Orange tree, mango tree, we say now coconut tree. Food we say for the African and friends who want to come party. You understand me? Palm tree,